Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So before we dive into the haul, let's talk about a free photo print. The size of the photo is an 8x10. Order this through your cell phone, have it to pick up at store, and use the code MAYFreebie at checkout. It's once per account, but hey, it's a free 8x10 photo of Pumpkin and Gizmo, the new kitten, and they seem to be best friends in this photo. So go get your photo ASAP. So we have a Walgreens midweek haul, including a double dip. Oh my gosh, 2 register rewards printing on these items. We'll talk about that. I repeated the Tide deal as well. We have a little online deal I'm going to talk about, and then some clearance, very cheap items. And then over at the Dollar General, we have some free shampoo items with overage and some stuff at 90% off. And the weather report, I know a lot of you really enjoy this. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I know it's like 50 degrees today, kind of like gray and miserable. It's not a beautiful sunny day like many of you out in like Texas, California, those hotter states, Florida. It's just kind of cold here. I don't know what that is. Okay, so the first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens, and we'll talk about this double dip because I'm sure a lot of you are very interested. Special shout out and thank you to GME Coupons. This is in factory deal, and I saw it a couple days ago and I thought, oh, this deal has some potential. So what you're gonna do, guys, is grab 2 of these Oral-B, the double pack of these flosses. So that will be $7.98. And then 1 of these super flosses for $2.79. So the total for these 3 items is $10.77. We have a $6.50 off of 3 digital. So you'll pay $4.27. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means go for it. And then what you're gonna get back is a $5 for spending $10 on these products. And then the monthly buy 2, get this store register reward is printing for this too. That's $9 back. Now I know earlier in the week there was some IBOTTA rebates. Unfortunately, those have vanished, but it still makes this free plus a $4.73 moneymaker. Hang on to your receipt. Possibly IBOTTA might have a rebate. Maybe, maybe not. But wouldn't that be nice? Okay, the next deal is a curbside pickup. So you have to order this through your cell phone or laptop computer. These Olay Cleanse, they are 2 for $10. So we're going to be putting 2 of these in a basket. There's an 8 off of 2 digital coupon. I rolled $2 in Walgreens cash and paid 60 cents. For 2 makeup wipes. That is a little something called winning. The last deal that I did, just because I'm looking to stock up a little bit with the liquid Tide, I grabbed 4 of these bad boys, and they are 2 for $11. So for 4 of them, that's $22 on the nose. I had $4 register rewards from last week that I threw in. 2 of them scanned, no problems, no issues, so $8 came off. And then I paid the balance with a little bit of Walgreens cash and then paid the rest out of pocket. 14, I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $4 plus the tax. And then this $6 register reward printed for me. That was really fantastic. Just a couple odds and ends. I would definitely do this deal if you can right away. And then this, if you could track this down in store, also really fantastic. Okay, so let's talk a little bit of clearance now. These were on clearance at my store, kind of a weird product. These Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand. It's a 50 count of these snack bags, you know, always something that we use for 28 cents. If you would like to check at your store, here is the UPC, but 28 cents, you just can't beat that price point. And then I was kind of suckered in again to buying these because they're so cute. It's a little 4-pack of these Easter gift bags for $1.28, 4 of them. Really good quality. I think for the next couple Easters it would make a really nice little present bag. How sweet is that? Now this is a really super deal, guys, on the Gold Bond Eczema Relief. And this doesn't expire until November of 2023. It's written there, it's etched in. Even if you never have eczema right now, you never know when you can have a flare-up, and the flare-ups are really something. I had a really bad flare-up one January, and I'll never forget it. That's why I always like to have this in my medical stockpile. This guy is on clearance for $3.19. We have a $1.25 digital manufacturer coupon, so it drops it down to $1.94, and a really good thing to have in your stockpile, especially when it's Gold Bond. Okay, and now this was on clearance as well, the Breath Saver Sugar Free. So these are $1.78 for the two. We have a $1 off 2 IDC coupon, dropping it down to 78 cents for the two, or 39 cents per pack of Breath Savers. And this is a really good deal for these, so I would definitely stock up. Unfortunately, I could only find 2, but I do like these sugar-free ones. That was Walgreens. Definitely hoof it out there if you can do some of these deals. Like this double dip is fantastic. And some of these clearance products, like, yeah, absolutely be on the lookout for those. Okay, the last store that we have is Dollar General. And there's a lot of things going around right now on social media about the new 5 off of 35 for Saturday. I will make a dedicated video this week about that, because moving forward, I'm not spending $35 on a basket to save $5. That's called shopping and not extreme couponing. And whoa, I gotta make a video on that for you guys, because I have some strong opinions, and I know a lot of you will probably agree with me, or maybe some of you think that, you know, this is the way we should go. But I just don't think that saving $5 on a $35 basket and you can't use coupons with is the way to go. Maybe Dollar General will change this around. Maybe they won't. Maybe this is part of all this inflation that they had to get rid of the 5 off of 25. Although my receipt today printed a 5 off of 25. So will we use a paper 5 off of 25 with our baskets? Possibly, maybe. But if my basket isn't $5 or less, I'm not shopping. So that's, but I'll talk about this in a video probably tomorrow, because I am not happy about that. Okay guys, so I did do this deal with some success, but I also loaded my coupons last week, so I know a lot of people are having issues with this deal. But if you grab a shampoo and conditioner, or 2 shampoos, that green one at the bottom right hand corner, that one seems to be working as well, along with the ones I got today. 2 of them is $6. Subtracting these 2 digitals, it makes it a penny. However, a lot of people are reporting if they loaded their coupons this week, it's not scanning, only 1 coupon is coming off. So more fun at the Dollar General, but I had some success. Do this deal at your discretion. Skintimate Bloom, this guy is $4.80. We have a $4 digital coupon, dropping it down to 80 cents. I had a little bit of overage with this guy, so that's why I needed to pick this guy up today. There's also some Crest Toothpaste a lot of influencers were talking about on Sunday, but I could not get out to the store on Monday. I was also really busy with work, so I didn't get the deal. And those Crest Toothpaste are kind of harder to find, so I wasn't gonna, you know, spend $28 in gas to get $5 of overage, so I'm just staying put. But I did find this guy for $1. We have a $2 digital that showed up on Sunday, making it free plus $1 of overage. And yes, I got the overage today. With the $1 of overage, I used some of this, and then I found these. I found 7 of them, so that's 70 cents. And this is a little fraction thing by this company called Bend On. If you want to scan this in the Dollar General app, it's 90% off at 10 cents a pop. So I got 7 of them for 70 cents, and then this grabbed also some of the overage too. So I paid like 51 cents for this basket. So this is 90% off, so it's a little thing for fractions. And then there's another one for addition. I didn't find many of these. I would have grabbed all of them and then donate them because I think it's really good for kids to learn like mathematics at a very young age. I'm definitely gonna save a couple of these for Christmas stocking for my nieces, or like part of a Christmas gift, or the next time I see them, because I think like this sort of stuff, even like little challenges and stuff, priceless to teach kids math at a really young age. Maybe I'm just old school, but yeah, I really like this for 10 cents. Be on the lookout for this. And here's the one for addition. And I found this in the summer section, guys. You know, they're putting out like the kids' water balloons and like different toys, and they had all this stuff with it. It wasn't with the regular like bend on stuff. So 90% off of this, really fantastic. Okay, so that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and tomorrow, probably not such a favorable video about everything going on at the Dollar General with this new 5 off of $35 basket, which you cannot use digital coupons with. Like, so I will make a video for that because I'm not happy. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.